Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen, breaking news. Anna Blake, aka Sevana, the Mango Queen, Jamaica's reggae singer, was back in front of the judge today for her final judgment. We're going to talk about that, ladies and gentlemen, as the Mango Queen broke down in tears and wept in front of the judge. Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, and salutations. Thank you for tuning in to Deep Roots TV. Jamaica's reggae singer, Sevana, was fined today, ladies and gentlemen, as she appeared before Justice Courtney Daye, who ordered her to pay a fine or face 2 years in prison. The Mango Queen, the singer, reggae, former to the signed to the Indignation label, had been charged with death with dangerous driving and had her license suspended for 2 years. The accident claimed the life of 32-year-old woman in May of last year. In Jamaica, the maximum penalty of cause of death by dangerous driving is 5 years in prison at hard labor. The 30-year-old singer, whose real name is Anna Blake, wept in court during the proceedings on Thursday. Sevana is just glad to see the court over, the trial's over, and to get on with her life. She's very sorry for the trauma that she has caused to the family and accept the responsibility, admitting it was an accident. The case was taking an emotional toll on her mental impact, and the lawyer Everton Dewar said that she is completely distraught and very sorry for the situation that occurred. Reports are that she was traveling along Scott Cove main road in Whitehouse, Westmoreland, when the Honda Civic motor car was driving, collided with the Honda Fit traveling in the opposite direction. Ordia Cordell, who was the passenger traveling in the Honda Fit, sustained severe injuries and was admitted at the Black River Hospital. She died May 30. Sevana is known for singing the Mango song, and if you only knew songs like Man Down, Yaganti, Sevana punishment was dealt out in the court by Courtney Daye, and she was fined $300,000 in the Westmoreland Circuit Court Thursday after pleading guilty to death by dangerous driving charges, escaping serious prison time, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier, and it's a bittersweet situation. The families that lost their loved one, sorry for what happened. My condolences. Jamaica Road claims many lives every year. But, it's a sweet revelation for the Mango Queen, Sevana. She can now push on with her life. She did show how sorry she were. I empathize with the family, Sevana, and I hope from now on, you take that 2-year license suspension and that $300,000 fine as a warning and use it as a new chance on life. Unfortunately, the victim won't have that chance. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier reporting Anna Blake, a.k.a. Sevana, Jamaica's singing star in the reggae genre. The Mango Queen has been, given a $300,000 fine, avoiding prison time, and have her license suspended for pleading guilty in the charge of death by dangerous driving. Ladies and gentlemen, hit that red subscribe button. Leave your comment. My condolences to the family. And best of wishes to the Mango Queen, Sevana. More life, more joy, more happiness. I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV.
So from them X with the fire, them have to mix with the lightning. Them mix with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. Them mix with the thunder, them got to mix with the world. And they so black people put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flashy lightning and who roll the thunder? Deep root flashy lightning and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them well them shut and kill, look how much them put under. How much of the youth them well them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon the proofs full of say you can't turn ya. Fire king, Rastaman and a real fire king. Boy, fire king, Rastafari soldier, fire king. Yeah, balalang bang,
Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect, make sure to tune in here every time.
Yeah, Ron Marley, Deep Roots TV. Blessed love, see it? Rastafari.